This is really not healthy. So I just finished breakfast and I had breakfast quite late today. It's already 12. I had breakfast like 11:30, almost 11:30. And I sat there just, talking to my mom. But I had some spaghetti. It's some leftover spaghetti from yesterday, and then some iced coffee. Yeah, that's my breakfast for Monday. It's almost like brunch already because I woke up late. So I guess I'm gonna update you guys when I have another snack. So it's currently 4:30 now and I'm gonna have a snack. I'm just basically having this. This is a macaroni salad. So it has macaroni, apples, pineapples, and some carrots. So that's gonna be my snack. Hello. Oh, that's cold. So it's now dinner time and I don't know what we're having, but I'm pretty sure it's delicious because mom made it. So tonight we're having rice and some, what do you call this? Kalabasa? Squash? Is it squash? I think it's called squash. It's kalabasa in Filipino, but yeah. So that is just the dinner. You can see the brushes. Let me move that. So my sister doesn't want to be seen. So I'm using myself as a shield.
That proves how big she is.
After dinner, I'm having some dessert. I'm having just chocolate ice cream. Good luck to my figure. Do I have figure? No, actually. Good luck to my uniform when we go back to work. Hey guys, so it's been like an hour and a half since I got home from dropping my mom off to work, and now it's breakfast time. Is this still considered breakfast time? It's currently 10:40 and I guess it's like almost like brunch because it's almost lunchtime. And I made this like food. It's basically rice and then I top it with some ground pork and then with some caramelized onions and some bell peppers. And then I made the sauce. Basically, the sauce is just made of soy sauce, a little bit of water because I don't want it to be too salty. And then I added some brown sugar. And then I used flour to like make the sauce like thicker. And then what did I do after that? And then I put Japanese mayo on top. So me and my sister are just gonna eat that, and yeah, I guess I'm gonna update you guys later if I'm gonna have a snack. Usually I don't have a snack because what do you call this? Well, I'm it's different every day. Like usually I will not have a snack, but sometimes I will have a snack depending on my mood. And yeah, basically my sister is getting mad at me now because she wants to eat. So I'm gonna update you guys later, and yeah. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and it's currently 10:20 a.m. and I'm just having breakfast because I just got home from dropping my mom and dropping my sister. So I had to shower and then here. Now we're having breakfast. I haven't like had anything since earlier, and I was up since 7:15. So here's today's breakfast. Basically, I'm just eating some leftover chicken, fried chicken from last night, some rice, and I like eating fried chicken with blue cheese. So that's that. I still have 2 more. Ooh, it's gonna be a really good breakfast. And I'm also having it with some water. But knowing me, I'll probably get soda later. So I just got home and I just got out of the shower, and it's my second time showering today. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I went and stopped by Tim Hortons and I got some wrap. I got my sister bacon breakfast wrap, and then I got some sausage farmers wrap. And then I also got some large iced coffee, or large caramelized coffee with almond milk. And yeah, it's 4:55 now. We're probably gonna have dinner close to 8 or maybe 8:30. I don't know, but we'll probably have like dinner. So this is gonna be a snack for me. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this. So hey guys, so it's now, what time is it? I can't see because I don't have glasses. So it's 7:15 p.m. and it's dinner time. So we're having some, I don't know, I made some burrito type of thing. So I put like lettuce, I put tomato, bell pepper, onions, and pork on one. And then on the other one, I put rice, chicken, cheese, and furikake because I wanted to like taste like sushi kind of thing. I don't know. I told yesterday, you guys, that I'm not gonna drink any more pop or soda, but this is very tempting. So you guys, it's already Friday. It's the last day of this what I eat in a week, and I'm gonna go show you what I like cooked today. So I made this. Doesn't look as appetizing as I would want it to be, but basically this is imitation crab sticks. So I cooked the crab sticks, put some breading on it, I guess, and then I put some furikake on top. Lately, I've been eating a lot of furikake. I'm like mixing it everywhere. I'm mixing it on rice. I'm mixing it on burrito, like pretty much everywhere. This is my first time doing this, so this is actually the first reaction that I'm gonna get. If it's good, if it's bad, and I made a lot, so if it's bad, oh my gosh, I have to really finish it. I'm not the type of person to waste food, so even if it doesn't taste good, I will still eat it because I'm hungry too. So, cheers. It's not bad. It definitely still tastes like crab. I can definitely taste the furikake and the cheese, which is good. And it goes well with the sauce that I made, so that is perfect. You know what's missing in here? Rice. I definitely need the rice. So I'm gonna go get some rice and I'm gonna finish this whole crab situation, and I'm gonna see you guys later. If I do have snacks, probably won't, because like I said, I barely eat snack, but I'm gonna see you, excuse me, I'm gonna see you guys later, and yeah. today's like the last day of this like what I eat in a week vlog, and tonight we're having this, oh my god, it's still hot. Tonight we're having some sushi bake, and then we're also having some pancit, just like Filipino type noodles, whatever. So we're having pancit and like sushi bake. That's pretty much gonna be our dinner for tonight, and then so we're gonna start eating this now, and then I'm gonna see you guys later.